Which culture celebrates the festival of Navratri, a 9-night celebration honoring the Hindu goddess Durga? Option is A. Chinese, B. Indian, C. Japanese, D. Russian. Answer is option B. Indian.
Which country celebrates Diwali as the festival of lights? Option is A. China, B. India, C. Brazil, D. Egypt. Answer is option B. India.
What is the traditional Japanese form of theater involving elaborate makeup and costumes? Option is A. Kabuki, B. Ballet, C. Opera, D. Mime. Answer is option A. Kabuki.
Which of the following is a traditional dance from Ireland? Option is A. Salsa, B. Flamenco, C. Hula, D. River dance. Answer is option D. River dance.
Which culture celebrates the Lunar New Year with dragon dances and red envelopes? Option is A. Korean, B. Russian, C. Chinese, D. Italian. Answer is option C. Chinese.
The traditional Maasai people are primarily found in which African country? Option is A. Kenya, B. Nigeria, C. South Africa, D. Ghana. Answer is option A. Kenya.
What is the traditional Scottish instrument often played at cultural events? Option is A. Bagpipes, B. Harp, C. Banjo, D. Violin. Answer is option A. Bagpipes.
The Day of the Dead or Dia de los Muertos is primarily celebrated in which country? Option is A. Brazil, B. Mexico, C. Argentina, D. Spain. Answer is option B. Mexico.
In which country would you find the famous monument Stonehenge? Option is A. France, B. England, C. Greece, D. Egypt. Answer is option B. England.
The traditional dance of New Zealand's indigenous people is called. Option is A. Samba, B. Tango, C. Haka, D. Flamenco. Answer is option C. Haka.
Which of these is a traditional dish from Thailand? Option is A. Sushi, B. Pad Thai, C. Tacos, D. Pizza. Answer is option B. Pad Thai.
Which of the following is not a traditional Chinese festival? Option is A. Dragon Boat Festival, B. Mid-Autumn Festival, C. Oktoberfest, D. Spring Festival. Answer is option C. Oktoberfest.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Holi by throwing colored powders and water at each other? Option is A. Egyptian, B. Indian, C. Australian, D. Canadian. Answer is option B. Indian.
The traditional dance form flamenco originates from which country? Option is A. Greece, B. Spain, C. Italy, D. Portugal. Answer is option B, Spain.
What is the traditional food eaten during Thanksgiving in the United States? Option is A. Roast beef, B. Roast turkey, C. Sushi, D. Pizza. Answer is option B. Roast turkey.
Which of these is a traditional dance of the Native American tribes in the United States? Option is A. Samba, B. Hula, C. Powwow, D. River dance. Answer is option C, Powwow.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Raksha Bandhan, a celebration of the bond between brothers and sisters? Option is A. Japanese, B. Indian, C. Chinese, D. Brazilian. Answer is option B. Indian.
In which country would you find the ancient city of Petra, famous for its rock-cut architecture? Option is A. Turkey, B. Jordan, C. Greece, D. Italy. Answer is option B, Jordan.
The traditional dance form of the Hawaiian Islands is called, option is A. Hula, B. Salsa, C. Flamenco, D. Tango. Answer is option A. Hula.
Which of these is a traditional Italian pasta dish? Option is A. Sushi, B. Paella, C. Spaghetti carbonara, D. Pad Thai. Answer is option C, Spaghetti carbonara.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Oktoberfest, known for its beer and Bavarian traditions? Option is A. Irish, B. German, C. French, D. Swiss. Answer is option B. German.
The traditional dress for men in Scotland is called, option is A. Kimono, B. Toga, C. Kilt, D. Sarong. Answer is option C, kilt.
What is the traditional drink made from fermented grapes in France? Option is A. Sake, B. Whiskey, C. Wine, D. Tequila. Answer is option C. Wine.
The traditional instrument of the Aboriginal people of Australia is called, option is A. Didgeridoo, B. Bagpipes, C. Tabla, D. Banjo. Answer is option A. Didgeridoo.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan? Option is A. Jewish, B. Muslim, C. Christian, D. Hindu. Answer is option B. Muslim.
What is the traditional Spanish dance characterized by its rapid footwork and clacking castanets? Option is A. Salsa, B. Tango, C. Flamenco, D. Waltz. Answer is option C. Flamenco.
In which country would you find the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu? Option is A. Brazil, B. Mexico, C. Peru, D. Colombia. Answer is option C. Peru.
Which of these is a traditional Chinese martial art form? Option is A. Judo, B. Taekwondo, C. Kung Fu, D. Karate. Answer is option C. Kung Fu.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Christmas with traditions such as decorating Christmas trees and exchanging gifts? Option is A. Hindu, B. Christian, C. Buddhist, D. Jewish. Answer is option B. Christian.
The traditional Japanese tea ceremony is known as. Option is A. Kimono, B. Kung Fu, C. Kabuki, D. Chinoyu. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
Which of these is a traditional Mexican dish consisting of a maize dough filled with various ingredients? Option is A. Sushi, B. Tacos, C. Pizza, D. Hamburger. Answer is option B. Tacos.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Bastille Day on July 14th, commemorating the French Revolution? Option is A. French, B. Spanish, C. Italian, D. German. Answer is option A. French.
The traditional dance of Brazil, characterized by its energetic and rhythmic movements, is called. Option is A. Samba, B. Tango, C. Flamenco, D. Hula. Answer is option A. Samba.
What is the traditional garment worn by men in Japan? Option is A. Sari, B. Kimono, C. Kilts, D. Toga. Answer is option B. Kimono.
The traditional music of Jamaica, characterized by its upbeat tempo and syncopated rhythm, is called. Option is A. Salsa, B. Reggae, C. Tango, D. Jazz. Answer is option B. Reggae.
Which of these is a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, typically cabbage or radishes? Option is A. Sushi, B. Kimchi, C. Tacos, D. Pizza. Answer is option B. Kimchi.
The traditional dance form of the Aboriginal people of Canada is called. Option is A. Salsa, B. Flamenco, C. Powwow, D. Hula. Answer is option C. Powwow.
Which of these is a traditional Middle Eastern dish made from ground chickpeas or fava beans? Option is A. Sushi, B. Falafel, C. Pizza, D. Tacos. Answer is option B. Falafel.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights? Option is A. Hindu, B. Jewish, C. Christian, D. Buddhist. Answer is option B. Jewish.
The traditional martial art form from Thailand is called. Option is A. Judo, B. Taekwondo, C. Muay Thai, D. Karate. Answer is option C. Muay Thai.
In which country would you find the ancient city of Athens, known for its historical significance in philosophy and democracy? Option is A. Greece, B. Italy, C. Egypt, D. Turkey. Answer is option A, Greece.
The traditional dress for men in Saudi Arabia is called. Option is A. Kimono, B. Toga, C. Thobe, D. Sarong. Answer is option C. Thobe.
What is the traditional Mexican folk music, often played during celebrations and festivals? Option is A. Salsa, B. Tango, C. Mariachi, D. Reggae. Answer is option C. Mariachi.
The traditional Chinese philosophy emphasizing harmony with nature and the universe is called. Option is A. Buddhism, B. Shinto, C. Taoism, D. Confucianism. Answer is option C. Taoism.
Which culture celebrates the festival of St. Patrick's Day on March 17th? Option is A. Irish, B. Italian, C. Spanish, D. French. Answer is option A. Irish.
The traditional dance form of the Native American tribes in the southwestern United States is called. Option is A. Salsa, B. Powwow, C. Flamenco, D. Hula. Answer is option B. Powwow.
Which of these is a traditional Greek dish made from layers of phyllo dough filled with spinach and feta cheese? Option is A. Sushi, B. Moussaka, C. Tacos, D. Pizza. Answer is option B. Moussaka.
Which culture celebrates the festival of Songkran, the Thai New Year, with water fights and religious ceremonies? Option is A. Japanese, B. Thai, C. Korean, D. Vietnamese. Answer is option B. Thai.
The traditional martial art form from Brazil, known for its focus on ground fighting and grappling, is called. Option is A. Karate, B. Judo, C. Taekwondo, D. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Answer is option D. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Which of these is a traditional Indian bread often served with curry dishes? Option is A. Croissant, B. Naan, C. Baguette, D. Pretzel. Answer is option B. Naan.